In part two, we're going to extend your thinking a little bit on the 80/20. Now, some of the questions that I received over the years about 80/20 is that a steadfast rule? Is that something that all your teachers have to do at all times? Or is it something where you have flexibility with it based on your circumstance? Well, we work in a school. We need flexibility. We need the ability to create 80/20 in a number of different ways and a number of different circumstances. So let's say you wanted to lecture all one day and the rest of the week, which is 4 other days during the week that you're actually in school, you want to do more independent learning. Students do independent learning where you're the guide on the side. Does that fit the 80/20 criteria? Of course it does. How about if we start more 50/50 and I gradually release students into 30/70, or excuse me, 70/30, 80/20, 90/10? Does that fit the definition of 80/20? Of course it does. The idea around the 80/20 and designing lessons and designing unit plans, we want to increase student ownership. We want to increase their ability to practice with us. That's one. We also want students to be able to own the learning. Eventually, we want students to teach others because that's the greatest form of learning is teaching others. And we know that as teachers and as educators, we know it far better when we have to teach others what to do. So what a great way to integrate teaching and have a passion for teaching is to teach others how to teach as well. The flipped classroom has a flexibility to it. 80/20 is a framework that you can use in order for you to stay focused on being more student-centered in your classroom.